Hey guys, welcome again in my YouTube channel Buzz Technocraft. Okay, here you can see my channel's name as I already tried to show you so many times. Okay, that is Buzz Technocraft. So let's gonna start this video. In this video, I'm going to talking about what is time series. Okay, so uh, time series analysis is a specific way of analyzing a sequence of data points collected over an interval of time. In time series analysis, analytics records data. Whenever I will try to show you the data, it means the data. Intervals over a set period of time rather than just recording the data points intermediately or randomly. Okay, so here you can see that what is meant by time series analysis. Yeah, so let's gonna start. What is time series analysis? So many things are that included in this video. So many questions rise in your mind about the time series analysis. So time series analysis is a specific way of analyzing a sequence of data points collected over an interval. Yeah, of or collected over an interval of time. In time series analysis, analytics records data points at consist intervals over a set period of time rather than just recording the data points intermediately or randomly. Yeah, so what are the four components of time series? Okay, so these four components are secure trend, which describes the movement along the term, seasonal variations, which represent seasonal changes. Now, cyclical fluctuations, which correspond. Let me try to. Which pen is good at here? I think white is better. Correspond to periodical but not seasonal. Okay, so variations, irregular variations, which are other non-random source of variations of series. Now here you can see about what is time series analysis with example. Let me explain with by an example. Is that a time series is a real group of observations on a single entity over time. Example, the daily closing pricing over 1 year, or for a single financial security, or a single patient's heart rate measured every minute, or over a 1 hour process. 1 hour process. What is time series analysis and forecasting? So what is time series forecasting? Time series forecasting is the process of analyzing time series data using statistics and modeling to make predictions and inform strategic decision making. Yes. So, time series data analysis is a way of studying the characteristics of the response variable with with respect to time as the independent variable. To estimate the target available in the names of predicting or forecasting, use the time variable as the point of reference. A time series represents a series of time based orders. It would be years, months, weeks, days, hours, minutes, and seconds and milliseconds, and so on. Okay, so it is an observation from sequence of discrete time of successive intervals. The time variable features is the independent variable and supports the target variable to predict the results. Time series analysis, that is TSA, is used in different fields for time based predictions like weather forecasting, models, stock market predictions, signal processing engineering, domain control systems, and communication systems. Since TSA involves producing the sets of informations in a particular sequence that makes it distinct from spatial and analysis, we could predict the future in these kind of models. So learn objective, we will discuss details TSA objectives, assumptions and components, stationary and non-stationaries. We will look at TSA algorithms. Finally, we will look at specific using the cases of Python to understand how time series works and what factors affect a certain variables at different points in time. Time series analysis will provide the consequences and insights of the given database features that change over the time, supporting to derive the pre- uh, predicting the future values of the time series variable assumptions. There is only one assumptions in TSA, which is stationary, and which means that the origin of time that doesn't affect the properties of the factors and the properties. Okay, properties. The process under the statistical factor, how to analyze time series. So to perform the time series analysis, we have to follow the following steps, like collecting the data and cleaning it, preparing visualizations with respect to time versus key features, observing the stationarity of this series, developing cards to understand its nature, model, and these things I already has been mentioned to you. Do like, share, and subscribe. Till then, love you all. Take care. Bye bye, guys.